Addition of fractions. Let's begin with the addition of fractions, since addition is the first operation considered chronologically. After being familiar with addition of fractions, you will easily understand how to do the rest of operations with fractions. Addition of fractions with the same denominator. This is the simplest type of addition of fractions. A typical example of addition of fractions with the same denominator is when we add 1/8 of a pizza, 1 slice, and 3/8 of the same pizza, 3 slices. Obviously, the result of this addition will be 4/8 of the given pizza, for slices, as shown in the figure on screen. From the previous example, we can induce the general rule for addition of fractions with the same denominator, as shown on screen. A and B are the numerators of the two fractions and C is their common denominator. The addition of fractions with the same denominator is that simple because both fractions have the same kind of division. Therefore, no extra steps are involved in such an operation. Example: an employee completed 12/29 of his assigned task in the first day and 9/29 of the task in the second day. What part of the assigned task did the employee complete in 2 days? Solution: we have to add the two fractions to find the part of the task the employee completed in 2 days. By doing so, we obtain the following. That is all for lesson 3.4.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.4.2, Addition of fractions with different denominators. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.